Property division is one of the most important parts of a divorce case. At the conclusion of a divorce, what courts have to do in Missouri, Illinois, and Kansas is divide all the marital property and all the marital debt. Now, a lot of parties are confused by this. They don't understand how this process works. And this is really it in a nutshell. And I should say that there are slight variances between Missouri, Illinois, and Kansas in terms of how this works exactly. But the good news is that in all three states, they're what are called equitable division states, which means the court is to divide the marital property and debt in a just manner when considering all the factors. Now, a lot of parties think that these statutes say 50-50 custody, that courts have to divide assets 50-50. The reality is the statutes in Missouri, Illinois, and Kansas don't have the 50-50 language in there at all. Instead, what it says is just, that it needs to be divided in a manner that is just. And the trickiness to this is what one judge might think is just, another judge could have a totally different viewpoint in terms of what's just. So for parties who think property division is sort of cookie cutter, that it's all going to be divided in half, the reality of the situation is that's not really true. And so that's why it's really critical and important that you have an attorney who's experienced in the property division aspect of a divorce to ensure that your best foot is put forward and that property and debt is divided in a way that you can live with in terms of moving on with your life after a divorce. So if you're going through a divorce, you've got marital property and marital debt that needs to be divided, you can definitely contact Stange Law Firm.